What are you doing? You hungry? You hungry? He's got an ankle bracelet. This motherfucker's got an ankle bracelet. He's on hard time. Here's two of them. This motherfucker done hard time. Look at that shit. Either that or he's been in an accident or both. Maybe he got in a prison fight. Look at this badass. Yeah, I don't need your food. I don't need your food. I ate prison food for the past 10 years. I guess I'd take a bite if you want to give it to me. Hey, don't yell at me. Yeah, I'm calling my crew. We know you got that big meal because you a fat fuck. I'm going to get them. Shit, they're on to us.